Good day, beautiful people. I'm here at our favorite 99 only store. And I just was walking around looking at some of the great deals and great values that they currently have at our favorite 99 store. Here's the mask. They have them for $5.99. And then for hygiene, they have the wipes. These are my favorite here. And then they have the ones for the coochie. So when you're on the road, you can always stay fresh and clean. And if an emergency happens, you have these that you can put underneath you because you know how sometimes as a female, it's not always regular. And when you're traveling or you're exercising a lot, sometimes you won't have it at all, but then you can still kind of tell when you're about to have one. And so you could put this, you could sit on this, if that makes sense, I hope. Now, this I probably would not do if I was in that predicament, but they are here for 99 cents. So you could start here and then go elsewhere. Then they also have this if you want to keep yourself fresh and clean while you're on the road. They have bladder pads, all the good stuff. And if you want to shave so you don't have grizzly legs while you're on the road, make the bears jealous. I got some really good deals. So I purchased a couple of items. I love the salads, and they had the big old thing of orange juice, and they had grapefruit. Now these are things that I normally don't see. Now this, of course, I got last weekend, but it wasn't the broccoli and cauliflower. It was kind of like the stir fry version with the carrots and everything else in it and the peas. But this time I just got mainly the cauliflower. And this was new. This is the jalapeno, kind of like what you could put on the salad. That's what I got it for. And then they have this noodles, which I mixed with my um, stuff that I purchased from Dr. Berg. Now, these right here are only 99 cents, and the only reason I put them in the basket is so you could see they have the natural turkey Oscar Mayer wieners, if that's something that you like to eat. Personally, I don't eat these, but just wanted to show you what great deals and great value that you can find at your local 99 store. And they're the natural turkey wieners. So like I said, I'm still trying to decide if I want to purchase this so I can mix my supplement with it. And this would be for the Nutritional Flakes by Dr. Berg.